Unlocking the potential of your child, the road to raising bright minds. Every parent envisions a future where their child shines with intelligence, carving out a path of prosperity and fulfillment. We nurture dreams of their happiness, health, and success, often with one key measure in mind: intelligence. The ability to think critically, solve problems, and absorb knowledge. So, what's the secret to raising smart kids? The good news is that intelligence isn't solely inherited, it's cultivated. Let's embark on this journey together with some valuable parenting insights. Section 1: Fostering Curiosity and Exploration. Children are natural explorers, driven by an insatiable curiosity about the world. It's our duty as parents to nourish this curiosity. Whether through captivating visits to museums, zoo adventures to ignite their wonder about biodiversity, or educational outings to historical landmarks promoting tolerance and understanding, we are the guides in their quest for knowledge. And let's not forget those endless questions, no matter how trivial or profound. Answering them fuels their thirst for wisdom and encourages intellectual growth. Section 2: Cultivating a Love for Learning. Raising smart kids isn't just about boosting their IQ but making them fall in love with learning. An eagerness to explore new horizons and solve problems is at the core of intelligence. Reading bedtime stories, involving them in real-life problem-solving situations, these simple yet effective methods can make learning a joyful habit. Section 3: Strengthening Cognitive Skills. Memory games are like a gym for your child's brain. They come in various forms, from classic card matching games to modern digital versions. These games improve their focus and memory. They're fun, engaging, and subtly enhance their cognitive skills. Section 4: Effort Matters. Intelligence is not just a result of inherent abilities, effort and hard work play a vital role. Encourage a growth mindset by praising your child's efforts, fostering resilience and determination. It empowers them to face challenges and embrace the learning process without fear of failure. Section 5: Creating a Supportive Environment. Building a nurturing environment is pivotal in raising intelligent children. It cultivates high self-esteem and resilience. As parents, engage actively in your child's education, provide a stable and loving home, and be their unwavering cheerleader through thick and thin. This support system empowers them to tackle life's challenges with determination and grace. Section 6: Harnessing Technology. In today's digital age, technology is a vital tool for learning. It offers access to information and resources previously unimaginable. Use it wisely, allowing your child to explore, discover, and grow in a world that's ever-changing. Section 7: Encouraging Physical Activities and Healthy Habits. Physical activities contribute not only to physical health but also cognitive development. They enhance concentration, memory, and academic performance. Moreover, they instill qualities like discipline, persistence, and resilience, all crucial for success. Coupled with healthy eating habits, it becomes the holistic approach to raising smart kids. So, as we conclude this journey, remember there's no one-size-fits-all secret to raising intelligent children. It's about creating an environment that supports their learning and growth, ensuring they become well-rounded individuals ready to make the world a better place. Your child's potential is boundless, and you hold the key to unlock it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe now.